So I'm trying to build an online community for earning online and working from home. I know there's many misconceptions about this whole process, and basically I just want to give you a bit of an update on this, where we're up to and everything that's going on, because realistically this is going to launch probably the back end of September, and I'm working with a number of different people to make sure that when this actually does launch, it's absolutely ready, it's what it should be, and to hopefully show to people that earning online is possible. And we'll jump in, I'll show you now. So this is what it currently looks like inside of the course area. So you can see on here we have a number of methods down here on the left hand side. We've got YouTube products and training, TikTok, creating online printables, affiliate marketing, how to create a profitable course, e-commerce, starting an online business, and lots more. And look, it's not just me doing this. You can see over here I'm bringing in other people and experts in offering different ways of earning online. Now whilst I'm building this out as well, I'm also running competitions over in my Facebook group, and I've also got this over here. So this is my own private Facebook group, and you can see on here we've got 14 members in here who are currently helping me to build this online community. Now these are all people who are earning money online in a number of ways, but basically inside of this Facebook group over here you can see I'm putting updates in here, and people are sharing their thoughts and process inside of here. And then basically, if something's not right as it should be, like this one over here, they're telling me, it's not working, I need to go back in and update it. But basically, this is where we're up to with the Not Taught at School University. We're going through this, we're getting feedback from people. And like I said, when this launches, what I'm actually looking forward to is the fact that, this will be a complete online solution for anyone who's looking to earn online. And the whole key point around it is, not only are we going to have this full course over here with all of these different products in here and live examples of this, and we also cover things like mindset, why it's important, and lots more. We're also going to be building a community around this whole thing, because look, everyone likes the idea of earning online. The reason why people fail around this whole concept is because they don't have the framework to follow, and that's what we're providing over here. But it's all about the community side, people who are on the same journey as you, and that's what we're looking to build with this university here. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, if you like the idea, and yeah, I'll just update you on this process.